Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 10th of February with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's look at gold. And I was a little bit I sort of conveyed a bit of disappointment actually on the significant decline that we saw on Friday on the payrolls report on gold. I thought it went further than I was hoping. Certainly, 1238 was I was deeming that to be pretty much a key support area, and it just went slightly below that to 1228. But you would still argue that the bull argument, or certainly the bears, are not in control yet, and I'm going to say that they're not in control because they haven't yet broken 1221, which is that 61.8% retracement of the big bull run, and also a bit of a support area as well, 1222. So I'm using 1222 as as sort of my final element of support that would suggest that the bears are back in control. So they're not yet. The other thing I'm getting a little bit more interested in is the fact that we've had been talking at length about these momentum indicators that have been falling away. Now the stochastics are beginning to turn around slightly. Now we saw this go in this correction in December. We saw the stochastics fall away quite sharply and then start to turn around, and that sort of started to signal the bottom of the sell-off. So seeing that situation again, you're also seeing the MACD lines beginning to slightly flatten out that as well, and also the RSI still above 40. So nothing too majorly bearish about the momentum indicators at all, actually. In fact, they're starting to sort of bottom out, which is interesting. On the intraday hourly chart, you'll see here that we have got this big downtrend intact, which is that downtrend that I suppose I could draw in very quickly, just roughly actually. That big downtrend there over the past few days, and basically that comes in today around the 1262, 1263 mark. So it just looks at the moment like we're just unwinding back towards this resistance. So that is the key level of resistance, I think, at the moment, that around those lows that we got between 1251 and 1256. And if you start to see the rebound going through those lows, I think that would suggest that the bulls are sort of regaining their confidence again. But certainly we're in this near-term corrective phase still. I'm not saying that saying that we're bullish at all, because we're not. The MACD lines are still below neutral. That suggests just unwinding oversold momentum, and also the RSI back towards that 60 and failing. So this is on the hourly chart. So that would suggest, pretty much all in all, that we are still in this corrective near-term phase. However, my point is that I'm still not yet turning bearish on the medium-term outlook. I'm thinking it's sort of more of a neutral stance now, because obviously you can't really be that bullish because of the correction that we've got going on. But still, we're holding on to some key supports, and the momentum indicators just beginning to show signs. If this sort of consolidation over the past couple of days, if that continues, then we may still see this gold price bottoming out, but still early days yet. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.